So at this point, we can create repositories on GitHub. We can clone those repositories from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. We can change the contents of the repositories, and then we can synchronize our changes back to GitHub. This is all fine and good, but our goal is to get AI to start writing our code for us. And so the next thing we need to do is set up a workflow that allows us to use AI. So as I mentioned, you can toggle this secondary sidebar, and you can try using this build with agent option if you are feeling adventurous. But we're going to do something a little different. We are going to use a tool called Codex, which was developed by OpenAI. The way that we do that is via an extension. So for the moment, I'm going to hide this secondary sidebar over here to the right by clicking the little X. And I'm going to hover over this couple of blocks. And when I do that, I should see extensions. When I click on that, I get a list of a bunch of stuff. I have 0 installed extensions, and then I have a big list of popular extensions, and then something called MCP servers. That's an AI thing that we don't care about right now, so we're going to close that, and I'm going to search for Codex, Codex. So the one that we want is the one that has 4.8 million downloads, Codex, OpenAI's coding agent. So I'm going to click install, and it's installing. And once it's done installing, the options appear to disable or to uninstall. And if I delete my search, you can see that Codex is an installed extension. So the other thing that's happened is that this new button has appeared over on the left, and I can hover over it and see that it's the Codex button. And when I click on that, I am presented with this kind of cool ASCII art animation, and then sign in with ChatGPT or use API key. So the other thing I can do is I can close this tab here, and I do. And so I think the next thing I want to do is show the process of signing up for ChatGPT with my new email account. So we'll do that next.